how you dealt with bad reviews with no explanation, why, what you message the customers, and how to make them change the review. So the way you deal with bad reviews that give you absolutely no explanation is you just message them, super polite message, and be like, hey, Karen, because normally called Karen, you know. And also a little hack, if they have like Mr. or Mrs. or like Sir or whatever, like before their name, where it never asks you for that thing, like never asks you for that thing. They have that, they're always a Karen customer, always a Karen customer. But anyways, how do you deal with bad reviews when they don't give any explanation? When they don't give any explanation, you're in a reasonably good position because the review, you can maneuver the public perception quite well if they haven't put a description as to why it's a bad review. So I would say there's a potential that it's a competition trying to mess with you and try and screw with you, but we'll ignore that for now. Basically, you just message them super politely, like, hey Karen, why did you, we saw that you left a negative review on our website. We are more than happy to resolve any problem you have. Please let us know what was the issue that you were having with our product. We would love to help absolutely everything. So you do that, and that's what helps you. If they don't respond, you send that kind of message, basically the same thing, like every 2 or 3 days for like, say like 10 days. If they don't respond after like 10, 14 days, you should post a public response, basically kind of saying what happened. Like you can just be like, we deal with all reviews, and we always help every single customer. I don't know why this customer left a bad review, this kind of thing. And you basically just call them like a liar. Like, I don't know why they left a bad review, like blah, 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 stuff like that.